Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I've decided today that I wanted to finish some savings challenges and relocate them to other savings challenges, because wallets are getting bigger and I don't have any particular plans for these challenges that I've been working on. So what I'm going to do is take out what I have so far and reallocate them to other savings challenges. First of all, I wanted to start with my luck of the draw because it's been ongoing and I don't mind that, but the wallet is getting bigger and the money's just sitting here doing nothing really, just been adding on each week. So what I'm going to do is count up this money and use it to finish some savings challenges. So let's see what we have here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. £265 that I have saved so far. And because the numbers are small, it is obviously taking longer. But this is a good amount of money that I have saved from last year. So I'm really pleased with that. I'll continue doing this each week and just let it go on. I've decided to complete my roll the dice. That's going to be fun. Green and orange is my theme. Okay, so that's 20, 30, 40, 45, 50 pounds. Just put that there for a minute. I'll take that out. I'm going to complete the 3 months challenge. I've only got £60 left to do. I'll complete that. That's 20, 40, 60. I should have £450 here. Let's count. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 60, 83. 20, 40, 60, 80, 94. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's lovely. So that's all done. That's completed. I'll take that one out as well for now. I will just count this up, see how much we've got. 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 140, 45, 50, 55, 155 pounds there. I'm going to complete this little calf. There's 55 for this one. I'm trying to keep the glare out of the way. So just do 55, 20, 40, 55. There we go. That's finished with. Should be 200 here. So that's finished now. The little calves, and I'll take that out as well. Just put that in there because I don't want to forget that it belongs to that. And that is that for now. Let's have a look what we've got here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85. 52 challenge is okay. And the Saji is okay. That's okay. That's fine. Now on to my new savings challenges. So I've got £85 so far to stuff in my new savings challenges. Just depends what ones I get. So I'll have to start looking this week for some. I do have some that I purchased from Etsy months and months ago, so I'll just do a recap on them because I can't remember which ones I've had. But what I'm going to do is put these towards my 2023, because as I said to you, I really want to challenge myself to do it twice for the year. So I'm going to do that at a later date, not today. I'm going to just keep these here for now and call it a day. It's been fun. I'm really glad that I made the decision to do that, because the lucky draw was just piling up, doing nothing with, so I just thought I would use the money for finishing off some other savings challenges, and I'm going to continue to stuff my luck of the draw, play my luck of the draw, because I really enjoy it. So, you know, it was good. Really enjoyed doing this evening. It made sense to me. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.